getting ready. Boys are playing with the GPS. Andrew, say hi, Andrew.
On.
And that's the 4th. Here we tangled with this line. Go!
Godzilla.
Holy fuck! Holy shit! Look at this blood. Okay, yeah. That's nice.
You're gonna lose your knife and wire rack there.
That's close too. Also this one.
Watch your behind there.
Oh, it's already here. That's it. All yours. Oh, a small guy. Small guy. I take it out. Fish on! Fish on! I let this one in. Fish on. Oh, another one?
Yeah.
Fucking what was on the top? No, it cut the line, looks like.
Under your line here. Come on, lift it up and over.
I can't because you... Okay.
Planer board. Planer board. Ah, the boy. That's a beauty. Weaver, Smiley?
I'm confused which one you are.
We're on a great big white thing.
Yeah, I'm thinking like, are you almost like heading like directly towards us? Maybe not the cat.
That's the way to fix that, Andrew.
Yeah.
That's the only way to fix that. Yeah.
But you don't have the big black flag sticking up.
Planer board's off. Planer board. Negative. We're just a pretty much a plain white pursuit. It's a bigger one that's 30. Stop again.
You're heading like straight towards me.
I see color. Color. That's it.
Lots of dimly.
Yeah.
Lots of dimly. Why not? Good job. Lots of
Fuck.
You. I wish I could do that.
Good. You coming again?
Yeah, I'll come in there.
Okay.
Like there's blood everywhere.
Your shoes, everything. Holy. So where were we?
Hold on. Hold on. One, Andrew.
Watch out your foot. Has a hook underneath your foot. Okay.
There's a shark. We're close here. You can see there's a shark.
Oh, fish on, fish on. Fish on. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Go, go, go. Larboard. I will bring it in.
You want
Huh?
this one?
No, no, I bring it in for you. Huh? Holy. Yeah, I see color. That's a different color down there. A different color down there. It's like long. Yeah, yeah.
Incoming.
I'm ready. Fuck, it's big.
Nice job.
Holy.
Can I resume?
Yeah.